Rounding. Rounding numbers to the nearest 1000. Rounding makes the number simpler to use but keeps its value close to what it was. Round this number to the nearest 1000. What's the question asking? Is 8,412 closer to 8,000 or 9,000? Let's break down the number into thousands. It's the same as 8,000 plus 412. Now we say, does 412 round up to 1,000 or down to 0? On our number line, 412 is closer to 0, so it would round down. So 8,412 rounds down to 8,000 plus 0 or 8,000. When rounding to 1,000 with 3 zeros, we focus on the third digit from the right, here the 4, and 4 would round down to 0. Round 2,500 to the nearest 1,000. Let's break the number down. It's the same as 2,000 plus 500. Does 500 round up to 1,000 or down to 0? On the number line, we can see that 500 is exactly in the middle, and in the middle always rounds up. So 500 rounds up to 1,000, so 2,500 rounds up to 2,000 plus 1,000 or 3,000. When rounding to 1,000, we focus on the third digit from the right, here the 5, and 5 rounds up to 10. Round this number to the nearest 1,000. What's the question asking? It's saying, is 65,876 closer to 65,000 or 66,000? Look at the next whole thousand above and below the number given. Let's break the number down. 65,876 is the same as 65,000 plus 876. Does this round up to 1,000 or down to 0? On our number line, 876 is much closer to 1,000, so it rounds up to the next 1,000. So 65,876 rounds up to 65,000 plus 1,000, it rounds up to 66,000. When rounding to 1,000, we focus on the third digit from the right, here the 8, and that rounds up to 10. Remember, when rounding to the nearest 1,000 with 3 zeros, we focus on the hundreds, the third digit from the right, and check, is it closer to the next 100 up or down? If the hundreds are less than 500, we round down. If the hundreds are more than 500, we round up. And if the hundreds are exactly 500, we also round up.